But I think if we are serious, this thing may collapse. And that's why we have to organize for the post-7 period. This thing should collapse under 2 years. I thank you for your attendance and call upon everybody to do all you can, whether it is to plant my uni in the potholes, whether it is to pray, whether it's to contribute a shilling, whether it's to attend a meeting, a prayer. Please do your part.
UPC is not part of the United Forces of Change. We are very busy with our projects or with our program. I've just reminded you that the President launched the national operation to us in our part last year in September, followed by Amrata. We had a massive rally there. Then recently, on Saturday, just Saturday, we had a mobilization tour in Dokoro. I want to remind you that this is the party headquarters of Uganda People's Congress, and regarding the project of People's Front, it's United Forces of Change. UPC, we have never received any invitations regarding that aspect of project. And they have never shared with us the objectives and goals of such a project. So if you have never received any invitation, we are not part of it. This is equal the time. Reach out to all UPC potential members who have the UPC flag at different elected positions to start getting prepared for both internal processes and the national or the general 2026 elections. Potential members for special interest groups, that's SIGs, and they include the youth, elderly, PWDs, that's persons with disabilities, women, and women are reminded that their elections are getting closer.